Did you know emergency broadcasts can predict your death? It started this morning. Every radio, every phone, every speaker. Sarah Mitchell, age 34, will die in 6 hours. Cardiac arrest, kitchen floor. That's you, your name, your age, your kitchen. You turn off the radio. The voice follows, from your phone, your laptop, your neighbor's car, getting louder, more urgent. 3 hours remaining, Sarah. You smash every device. Silence. Then, your own voice, speaking from the walls. 1 hour, Sarah. In the reflection of your microwave, a tall figure, black coat, wide grin, red eyes. He tilts his head, whispers, "Time's up."